I have been, but I had to come drop off some stuff. I thought the kids need to see this.
You wanted to get it where they know that Holland and Dingle wasn't working?
Yeah, they wouldn't believe me any other way. Stop by.
You scared him so bad he went topless?
You hear on the radio, there's a lot of talking over the two-way radios. This is Gilliam Hay Farms. Used to work here for a long time until I started teaching. Probably from the time I was 10 years old till I was 21. So he builds predominantly square bales and ties them in these bundles that was done with a Bale Baron. Right there you see a little loader tractor. That loader tractor is about to pick that up. When I started, we did this predominantly by hand. Now it's all done with loaders. That equipment. So just to estimate, I haven't asked yet, but I assume we're doing about at least 100 bales of bermuda hay an acre here. There's a hay baler. He swapped to New Holland hay balers. Really good bermuda hay. This is predominantly used for horses due to its high quality and its cleanness. I had a really good day baling straw last week. I baled 7,000 bales in one day, which is a new record. They accomplished that by having just good conditions and swapping to the New Holland hay balers because they're just a little bit faster. You can see he runs New Holland equipment and Kubotas and John Deere. This right here is a Bale Baron. He got his first one probably 2010 or so. This used to be a machine I'd run all the time. So what it's doing, it's picking up the small squares and tying them in 21 bale packages. And that keeps them from having to handle every bale by hand. And it ties in a nice neat package so you can pick it up with a loader. That's the newest Bale Baron they have. It's PTO driven. The old ones were just hydraulics off the tractor. There's a GCTF and pay member driving that. Here's the big straw stacks. These still stacks predominantly most of the straw outside. Put some inside.